Hello everyone, thank you for visiting our channel. Today we will be making delicious gluten-free cookies, which we named coins. For this recipe we will need sugar, cornstarch, almond flour, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, vanilla extract, baking powder, eggs and salt.
Into a separate bowl, combine 200 grams of almond flour, 140 grams of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
In a separate bowl we will need to combine 100 grams of room temperature unsalted butter, 130 grams of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 35 grams of any kind vegetable oil.
Mix the mixture until it is smooth and add 2 medium-sized chicken eggs. When all of the liquid ingredients have combined, put in the dry ingredients little by little.
Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you to everyone that has subscribed to our channel. Exciting things await you. In the end, using a spatula, mix the dough and make the cookies. The dough turns out not too thick.
Into a piping bag, place in a round tip. If you do not have the tip, you can just cut off the end of the piping bag. Place the icing down as you see in the video. From this amount of dough, you get 600 grams of cookies. These cookies cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 8 minutes. When the edges start to golden, the cookies are ready. Cook delicious baked goods for your friends, your family, and for yourself.
Thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.